First time na mo try ani and super lingaw kaayo. Hey guys, Kenneth here. If nangita mo fun and interactive experience, then you must visit Virtual World. And they're located sa 4th floor sa Ayala Mall Central Block across Joyu. Now let's rate all the rides that we tried and experienced. Starting with basketball game. Such a good start, nalingaw ko, and I would rate this 9/10. Next, kaning 4-seaters game. And among gipili ang scariest one, and we would rate this 8.5/10. Next is the shooting game. We would rate this 9.5/10 kay nalingaw jumig patay sa mga zombies. Next is Beat Saber. We would rate this 9.5/10. Lingaw sad siya kay magsayaw ka. And lastly, VR 360. Mao ni mo pinaka the best na ride, and we would rate this 1,000,000/10. Mao na kag naasan laing nasod like Disneyland or Universal. We really had fun and super nalingaw jimi sa Virtual World. And guys, naday ko pa giveaway, so please read the mechanics below. And mao din nila ang rates and packages. So what are you waiting for? Try Virtual World, and salamat sa pagtanaw.